Did you know 6 shocking facts about sneezes and your nose?
Fact 1. A sneeze travels up to 100 miles per hour and spreads germs up to 30 feet. Fact 2. You can't sneeze with your eyes open because the reflex closes them.
Fact 3. Picking your nose and eating it boosts immunity by reintroducing bacteria.
Fact 4. Your brain temporarily stops working during a sneeze for protection.
Fact 5. Some people sneeze from bright light, called photic sneeze reflex.
Fact 6. Nose hairs and mucus trap 99% of germs before they reach lungs. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.